This is very special. This box 2 card. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different can install. 1 is very 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? This is with shapes and tools here. And we open here. We can separate the sprays. We can put different sprays, different things here. We can also keep. This is 2 box, 3 box, 4 box. This 5 box. Wow. Also very easy to push. Right? You can put many things here. I like this one. Come. This one. Oh, this is storage cup. This is stainless steel. And this also a storage cup. We can put the towels and some hotels cleaning goods here. 1, 2, 3. Many towels here. And this the chest bed. Before you save this chest bed, the dirty clothes here. 2. This one we separate. This cover. You can choose. This is the accessory. If you need this one, you can ask our storage to add this accessory here.